Hey there, Tay here at Black Dog Salvage. I wanted to share a cool video with you. So a few weeks ago, a fan of the show turned us on to a really cool skid steer attachment called the Premier Picker. Originally developed by an inventor named Stubby, it's now licensed by and available from Premier Attachments. It's made in the USA and it allows you to do really precise sorting of materials in the field from the comfort of the cab of the skid steer. So because I think we're going to use it on an upcoming job, I wanted to test it out. And so I went to the warehouse with Jeff and we sorted through some scrap. So here's that footage. Enjoy. All right, listen, our yard got flooded about 2 months ago from the Roanoke River, which is right over there, and we're still dealing with the mess. So we got the Bertha Pelican Picker here. It's the nicest piece of equipment we've ever gotten, honestly. And I'm gonna put Jeff to work here, cleaning up some of this mess that's left. The guys have done a great job on the yard, but the last bit of crap and scrap is all mixed together in this pile over here. So let's do it. All right, man. Let's clean this place up. Rock on. Was that fun?
That was blast, man. Did you see me squish that thing? Destruction.